after that. It's done long time. Hey, see that man, yeah? This is the man when me emulate as a youth, you know.
Who is this? Okay.
Dennis Barney.
So tell me how this event come about and why are you doing it?
Mr. Chung Fah has done a lot for youth in the inner city, in the ghetto style, you know. He has done a lot for young kids. He has been a motivator, you know, and inspiration to a lot of young kids. Therefore, I think it's only fair as an individual who grow in that kind of system to pay back Mr. Chung Fah for the greatness he has done over the years. And I'd like Jamaica to acknowledge that too. Thank you.
Then he started to cheer for the St. George's like Blues. He was a goalkeeper, so he kept for the YMCA with Loggy and all those people. He was the second goalkeeper to run extra league. And then from there, he decided to go to Dunkirk because he had a store out on Bryden Street in Leonard Road. And he go to Vauxhall and played there and decided to organize a team. That Vauxhall team was originally the Doncaster Rovers set of players. And along with the Raytown team that Frank Brown played for. So out of that he decided to form a Santos team. So every Sunday morning they would train at the College of Arts, Science and Technology.
Cars?
Yes. And from that he built a Santos team. But the Santos team was originally out of the Vauxhall Doncaster crew along with the Raytown players like Peter Lee and Bagger and all those. Not Bagger Wilson, Professor, not Bagger Wilson.
My name is Alty McKoy. Played for Excelsior. For Jamaica.
I'm big coach too.
The man said big coach because I coach Calabar and have one of the biggest things in Jamaica. When we coach for 8 years and my team never come less than second for 8 years. So big up Chongy, long live Chongy.
The Calabar man. Did he ever coach you?
Chongy?
Yeah.
No, I'm coach against me.
Okay. So what do you think? You think he has gotten his due as a coach in Jamaica from the fans and from the authorities?
Well, I don't think any coach in Jamaica has gotten their due from the Jamaicans. Because either they expected too much when we never have enough to give. You know what I mean? Because Chongy was one of them. Chongy wanted to go around the island and get all the young talent. Nobody would have even give him a car. And I coached against Chongy when Calabar lost to Clarendon. But we draw with them. The only team that drew with them that year in Jamaica, down at Clarendon. So that's where I'm coming from. Alright?
Give thanks.
Bless up, John.
Do you think that he has got his due as a coach from Jamaican football public or the authorities?
No, I don't think Chongy has gotten what he deserved from Jamaica. And not only Chongy, tonight you're going to see 5 people who have played for Jamaica at various intervals who set the path for people like me, Alan Cole, Devon Jeffrey, Terence Kendall, Howard Bell, you know what I mean? Or let's set the trend. Yes, the Howard Bell eventually end up being the manager of the Jamaican national team. I wouldn't even go into the story of that. The national team right now could have done much better because we have a lot of people who can give to the national program. But the national program have a selfish streak. I do not want to be a part of Jamaican national team because I can do much better than the president does. Because for 18 years I've been running this on my own. You understand? And in 18 years we don't go through no change. Financially we're stable. We can do anything for anybody. If a man's sick, we help him. I have given all I can give. I mean financial contributions, education, I've done it all. Doctor, anything them up, a man call me. I am international, my phone number is international.
Winston Chung Fah, from that, he loved the game so much he decided to build Santos and he progressed with them. While building them, he was one of the pioneers in helping the Veer Technical High School with players for Derek Tompkins, who became Jamaican national coach after a while also. Also, Winston Chung Fah was the one in 1966 to recruit players for the North American Soccer League. A lot of people didn't know that. Frank, all of those Lascelles, Dunkley, Henry Loggy, all those was by way of him. With Ron Newman that ended up with the Strikers, was involved with the American Soccer League, the ASL. And Winston was the one in Jamaica that escorted him around to look at players and selected players. So you have Winston Earl, who never came back to Jamaica, who played centre half for Virtech with Alan. Winston Earl went to Rochester Lancers. Arthur and Asherwell went to Baltimore. Dunkley and Laggy and all those went to St. Louis and other places, along with Asian Gisselville. So it's a long history of Winston Chung Fah.